In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add cards in Trello step by step. Whether you're managing a team project, planning YouTube content, or organizing your daily tasks, knowing how to properly create and customize cards in Trello is essential. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add cards, include detailed information, set dates, apply labels, and keep your board fully organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll see your workspace with all your boards displayed. If you're not on the correct board, click on Switch Boards or go back to your board's overview and select the board you want to work on. For this example, we're going to click on the Team Execution board. Open the board so you can see all your lists laid out horizontally across the screen. Now that you're inside the correct board, choose the specific list where you want to add your new card. Lists might be named things like To Do, In Progress, Completed, Content Ideas, or anything else depending on how your workflow is set up. At the bottom of the list, click on Add a Card. A text field will immediately appear. Next, type in the name of your card. This should be a short, clear title that describes the task or item. For example, you could type something like Design Thumbnail, Fix Website Bug, or Prepare Weekly Report. Once you've entered the card name, press Enter or click Add Card to create it. Your new card will now appear inside the list. To add more details, simply click on the card you just created. This will open the full card view where you can customize everything. Inside the card, you have several powerful options. You can click on Labels to categorize your card by color. Labels are great for identifying priority levels, departments, or task types at a glance. You can also add a due date by clicking on Dates. Select the deadline from the calendar and save it so your team knows exactly when the task needs to be completed. If you want to add more context, click on Add a more detailed description. Here you can type in any information you want, such as instructions, notes, links, or requirements. This helps everyone understand exactly what needs to be done. You can continue typing in any additional information inside the description field. Be as detailed as necessary so nothing gets missed. Once you're finished adding your information, click on Save. Your updates will now be stored inside the card. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a card in Trello. As you can see, Trello makes it very easy to organize tasks, assign details, and keep everything structured in one place. If this video helped you learn how to add cards in Trello, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.